Hi everyone. Today, we're looking at Lamborghini's latest raging buller, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. This hybrid V12 supercar pushes boundaries, blending electrification with raw Italian performance. If you thought Lamborghini was all about naturally aspirated beasts, think again. The Revuelto brings the best of both worlds, electrification and pure adrenaline. Let's start under the hood, or should I say, under the engine cover. Lamborghini has kept the iconic 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 but paired it with 3 electric motors. The result? A mind-blowing 1001 horsepower. That's right, this isn't just a hybrid, it's a full-fledged powerhouse. The V12 alone cranks out 814 horsepower, while the electric motors provide instant torque, making acceleration brutally quick. 0 to 60, just 2.5 seconds. Top speed, over 217 miles per hour. And if you're wondering about the all-electric capability, yes, the Revuelto can run in pure F mode for short distances. But let's be real, you'll want to hear that V12 scream. The new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission replaces the old single-clutch system, making gear changes lightning fast and incredibly smooth. Now, let's talk design. The Revuelto looks like it came straight from the future. It retains the sharp, aggressive Lamborghini DNA but with an even more aerodynamic approach. The Y-shaped DRLs, massive air intakes, and sculpted bodywork all serve a purpose, maximizing downforce while keeping it visually stunning. The rear end is dominated by the high-mounted exhausts and an active wing that adjusts to optimize performance. Every angle screams speed. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. Lamborghini's signature fighter jet-inspired design is still here, but now with a more digital approach. The 12.3-inch driver display, an 8.4-inch central touchscreen, and a passenger-side 9.1-inch display make sure everyone is engaged in the action. And yes, there are still physical toggles for that race car feel. Driving the Revuelto is an experience like no other. With multiple drive modes: City for electric driving, Strada for comfort, Sport for excitement, and Corsa for all-out performance. It adapts to your mood. And if you want to go wild, there's a new pista mode for track-focused insanity. The all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, and active aerodynamics make sure the car stays planted, no matter how aggressively you push it. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto is a game-changer. It keeps the soul of Lamborghini's legendary V12 while embracing the future with hybrid power. It's fast, it's loud, and it's every bit the dreamed machine we hoped for. What do you think? Is the Revuelto the ultimate Lamborghini? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you next time.